Okay.
Like 10 o'clock, please.
Aww.
Let's get it.
Dakota and Heidi having a little barbecue. Little barbecue corn. Oh, I felt that over here.
Get it. Come on.
Yeah.
Can you eat your corn? Oh, so good. Good girl. Mmm. That's some juicy corn. Oh, look at you go. Look at you go. Oh, you're doing the typewriter. All the way down the corn. What a good girl. Mmm. Wow. Good girl.
She's enjoying that.
This side over here. There it is.
Ta-da! Oh, it's too bright. Hold it down. Ta-da! Oh, wait. Let me get the last few bites.
Funny.
Let me get the last.
Hilarious.
That is too funny.
Good job.
Floor.
She'll eat that too. Oh yeah, she picked it.
Good job. Heidi, let me see your mouth.
Heidi, come here.
Let me see your jaw.
Come here. Hold it. Come here.